Hi children! Everybody raise your both hands. Shake it. Shake your hips. Turn around and say, I am happy today. Wow! Good job, children! Now, let's have a short review of our lesson last week. Get your whiteboard and marker. Hurry! Let's try this activity. Find the sum by using any ways on how to add numbers with regrouping. Number 1. 44 plus 6 is equal to?
Teacher, number 1 is 50.
Number 2. 29 plus 1 is equal to?
The answer for number 2 is 30.
Number 3. 62 plus 8 is equal to?
Teacher, 70.
Number 4. 55 plus 5 is equal to?
The sum for number 4 is 60.
And number 5. 19 plus 3 is equal to?
Teacher, 19 plus 3 is equal to 22.
Very good, children. This time, please listen because at the end of our lesson, you must be able to add two one-digit numbers using appropriate mental techniques. Add 2 to 3 one-digit numbers with sums up to 18 mentally. Add two-digit numbers and one-digit numbers mentally. And show active participation in adding mentally. Do you understand, children?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Okay. Now, sit properly. Eyes on the screen and listen. Let's enjoy learning about mental addition. What is mental addition? Mental addition means to add numbers in your head without writing down any steps or notes as part of the calculation. There are various strategies for mental addition. However, with each method, it is important to hold values in your head. The fewer the steps, the better the method as it is easier to hold the numbers in your head. For example, the given number sentence is 6 plus 7 is equal to n. To add two numbers mentally, add the digits separately. Let's divide 7 into two parts. We have 4 and 3. Let's add first the digit 4 to 6. So, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Since the sum is 10, let's add 10 to 3. So, 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So, 6 plus 7 is 13. Let's try another example. We can add by making 10 first. Like for example, 8 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to n. Let's divide 3 into two parts. We have 2 and 1. Then, add the first digit number to 2. And add the sum which is 10 to 1. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. The sum of 10 and 1 which is 11, we have to add it by 5. So 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. Then 8 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 16. Next, let's have this another number sentence. 32 plus 29. To add the two numbers mentally, add the digits separately. Add the tens digits and then look at the ones digit to decide what the answer ends in. We add the ones first in 32 plus 29. So 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Since the answer is 11, put the 110 to the upper tens of 3 and add. 3 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 6. So, 32 plus 29 is equal to 61. Do you understand, children? Very good. Now, let me know if you really understand mental addition. Let's do this activity. Solve it mentally. Number 1. 8 plus 9 is equal to?
Teacher, number 1 is 70. Teacher,
Number 2. 12 plus 5 is equal to?
teacher, number 2 is 18.
Number 3. 25 plus 4 is equal to?
Number 3 is 29.
Number 4. 62 plus 8 is equal to?
Number 4 is 70.
Next, 46 plus 2 is equal to?
48, teacher.
Good job, children! What have you learned in today's lesson?
I learned about how to add numbers mentally. It gives faster calculations and allows our brain to quickly recall our math facts.
Good job, children! That's all for today, children. Remember, mental math is not about memorization, though it's about manipulating what you are able to quickly recall to calculate a given problem. Thank you, children. Keep safe and God bless. Bye!